Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's hairstyle, take a section of hair from the top and divide it into 3 equal sections. Next, take a strand from one side and cross it under, over and under. Then go back and go over, under and add it to the outer section. Do the same to the opposite side by going under first, then over, under, and then go back and go over, under and add it to the outer section. Keep repeating the steps all the way down. Join the last strand with the middle section and tie them together with a clear elastic. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!